So where I was before I came to Inner Circle was in 2019. I was a very small little CPA girl practice, 1.5 people. Today, I am 3.5 people, hiring 3 more people. I've looked at the systems. I try to implement everything at once. Don't do that. Definitely do your wheel and focus where you need, and you will get there. So basically 5 years later, we're growing, we're doing things, but it's a lot of things are a moving target, but it's so much better. Had I not been in this community, there's no way I would be where I am today. And I can't even imagine the next 5 years, but I am going to imagine it. And we're doing it here today, and it's going to be phenomenal. I wish all of y'all could be here. Definitely get more involved, take more time, do more steps, and you will see such improvement with your personal life and your business life.